This video is a paid advertisement for Tonka and Basic Fun Toys. Guys, we got the brand new Tonka Truck collection. This is so cool. We've got a dump truck here, and we've also got a bulldozer. These are so cool. Let's have some fun in the sun with these. We've got the Tonka Mighty Dump Truck.
It's made out of metal.
It is so cool. It is Tonka Tough.
Yep, harder than armor. And we got the Tonka bulldozer.
It is also made of metal. Yeah!
Here we go. Yeah!
Crush down the barrier. Oh, wow, this is really good.
Hey, fill me up.
All right.
What's your phone you got?
Go.
Thanks.
Right.
Let's go ahead and dump this.
All right, right here.
I need some of these rocks. Make something. All filled up. Ready to go. Dump it.
It's time to bulldoze down these rocks. It's Tonka time. Are you ready, Matthew?
Yes.
Bulldoze us down.
Good, I'm on the other side. There's a bunch of logs. Let's dump it. Yeah! Oh!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Let's go, let's go, let's go.
The tree's falling!
Better get the Tonka bulldozer.
We need the dump truck!
Let's go, let's go. We need to load the tree onto the dump truck. Make sure it's secure. All right, go.
Okay.
Whoa, we've been having so much fun. Hours of outdoor play with these. These are so cool. Thank you so much, Basic Fun, for sending me all these super cool Tonka trucks. These are available at John Lewis. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.